Hello? Is anybody home? Anyone? Hello? It's me, your son. Hello? Hello? Anyone? Mommy? Daddy? Anyone? Where did everybody go? I'm all alone. Yeah. Oh, look! A note! Cam, we left you because you're too ugly. Am I ugly? Oh, no. They all think I'm ugly. Can't do it anymore. They all think I'm ugly. I don't think I'm ugly. I'm not ugly. Am I ugly? I just gotta sleep this off. Yeah. Okay, so I woke up 2 hours later, and I'm gonna see if my parents are home. Ready? Mom, Dad.